Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best pancake compressors on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Bostitch Pancake Air Compressor. The 6-gallon Bostitch BTFP02012 is a high-capacity unit running on an efficient, quick-start motor. You can use it for all kinds of power tool tasks, and with the 150 psi max pressure and should comfortably do anything from tire filling to firing a gun nail. Even in cold weather, the motor kicks in with the vitality of equipment that's determined to show off and deliver the results. Bostitch includes a high-flow regulator to boost efficiency. They also include 2 couplers for maximum appliance. The couplers seal off automatically. When using only one, the other will automatically shut off. So you don't need a cap to close it manually. The regulator allows you to control how much output pressure you have at any given time. Going for slightly more than $100, the BTFP02012's asking price is a good deal, given how well constructed this compressor is. You'll probably still be using it years down the line while it would cost you so little. Number 2. Our second best pick is Porter Cable Pancake Air Compressor. The Porter Cable C2002 WK is a powerful compressor that runs on a 120V motor, with the capacity enough to power small air tools and successfully fill up an air mattress or your car tires. Most people are well, the C2002 WK is safe to connect to your AC power outlets, which you will need to do to refill the tank when air runs out. The regulator controls output pressure, and you can set it to the desired level. Different appliances call for different PSI rates, so make sure you confirm the maximum allowed for the tool you want to power and adjust the air compressor accordingly. Don't worry about the unit overheating or short-circuiting when you use it for long. It comes with thermal overload protection to safeguard it from damage and ensure this doesn't happen. The 150 psi maximum pressure gives you plenty of runtime. Factor in the 6-gallon tank and you're assured that the compressor can adequately support your air tool usage. We have to mention that the motor starts quick and easy and doesn't disappoint even in cold weather. Number 3. Our third best pick is DEWALT Pancake Air Compressor. A high-performance unit, the 6-gallon DEWALT DWFP02012 will take you through most power tool tasks with ease. It has a high-capacity universal motor that gets the job done with no fuss, and delivers a maximum pressure of 165 psi and 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, giving you a sufficiently long appliance runtime. It fills up quickly and has a short recovery time, which is what you want when you have a job to complete quickly and can't wait for a slow refill. This is a fully portable air compressor with a steady hand grip handle that makes mobility easy, and firm rubber feet to hold it in place during use. One thing you'll enjoy about this product is its fast startup. The motor kicks in immediately when you start it up and sustains this efficiency even in cold weather. It's not the quietest compressor on the market, but it is a lot quieter than most. It has a 75.5 dBA noise level, while many of its counterparts work at 78 to 82 dBA. Using this unit, you'll have the luxury of getting your pneumatic tool jobs done without the accompanying loud noise we've come to expect from air compressors. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max Air Compressor Kit. The DEWALT DCC2560T1 is a cordless, sturdily built little compressor that gets small jobs done swiftly and smoothly. The compressor has a max pressure of 135 psi. Which is in the range of some 6-gallon tanks and quite remarkable. If your project list includes many large jobs, the DCC2560T1 won't be of much help, as it only gives 1.2 SCFM at 90 psi. The workaround would be refilling now and then, which is not a problem if you have the time. But if you're looking to use it to fill inflatable items like toys and tires and power nailers, it's a good buy. It self-regulates with the help of patented one-turn regulation technology. All you have to do is point the regulator to the desired PSI, and it will swiftly and accurately adjust the pressure. The DCC2560T1 compressor comes with a lithium-ion battery, which is included when you purchase, so you won't have to buy it separately. Upon testing the air compressor with the fully charged, you're looking for more small air compressors, we highly recommend checking out our top picks of 12V air compressors. It's also light and easy to carry and move around. Rubber feet hold it firmly to the ground when you set it down so that it doesn't roll and move about while you use it. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Campbell Hausfeld 6-gallon portable quiet air compressor. The Campbell Hausfeld DC060500 is a compact piece that packs more power than you'd think when you first see it. It has an indicated maximum pressure of 125 psi, and while we don't doubt it hits this level, we want to be careful not to use it with appliances that require lots of pressure. But for small jobs, it exceeded our expectations. The 6-gallon tank provides enough air supply to run most home air compression tasks with ease, and you won't have to be sure to check that the CFM requirements of the appliance you plan to use are not more than 2.4 CFM, otherwise the DC060500 won't be able to power them. And the best part is that it runs quietly. It's without a doubt the quietest pancake air compressor we've had the pleasure of using, and for this alone, it's worth spending a little extra to get one. If you regularly need to this buy, if the constant droning of a lawnmower irritates you, you'll be glad to have this little toy running your affairs without noise disturbances. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.